This article brought to us from Yahoo Life brought to us by Business Insider through Yahoo Life. I drive for Uber and Lyft as a medical student. It's not the profitable side hustle I expected it to be. This article is written by Alex Bitter, right? It says Uber, Lyft, and other apps market themselves as ideal side hustles. Well, it's in the name of side hustle, right? One driver said the work hasn't fit well with her schedule as a medical student. Bruh. It goes to what I was saying earlier, right? We want everything to fit perfectly into our lives, like the world revolves around each and every one of us. How many worlds do you think exist that everything that we do has to revolve around each and every one of us, right? So as a medical student, Uber and Lyft doesn't work perfectly for you. Well, so I am so sorry to hear that. All right. Aww. The driver has looked at other gigs such as substitute teaching to make money. The last thing I would ever do. Is substitute teach. Oh my God. All right. It says this as told to essay is based on a conversation with Porsche. Is it Porsche Watkins, a 37-year-old ride-hail driver for Uber and Lyft in Atlanta? Business Insider verified her work and expenses. The interview has been edited for length and clarity. All right. So I started medical school in January of 2020. Then life happened. My grandmother passed away. She raised me. So after that, I had to navigate life and a life a little bit differently. I became the sole caretaker for my Vietnam War veteran grandfather and my intellectually disabled adult brother. Ooh, that is rough. That is rough. I am sorry to hear that. In the fall of last year, I had the wonderful idea to use rideshare to supplement my income while studying and caring for my family. However, it has not been what I have planned. One thing that I do my best to do is not to go into anything with some preconceived expectations, some preconceived notions, none of that, right? I'm like, all right, do I want to do this thing? Let me not try to dictate what my expectations are of the way that this is supposed to go, right? The story I have heard from others who drove rideshare was that they had, the story I had heard from others who drove rideshare was that they did it full time and were able to make thousands of dollars a week. I mean, I have never driven rideshare. I suppose it's possible. And also, if you're taking it as a quote unquote side hustle versus full-time rideshare driver, because there are some people, they will drive, they will get a really, like, they'll lease a nice car. It'll be a high-end car and they'll make themselves available at any and every time. My dad had to take some flights. Like every time so whenever he has to take a flight, he has to go to an airport that's pretty far, and the only flight that's available is early in the morning. So he takes an Uber to that airport, and it's like at 3:30 in the morning, and there is always an Uber driver available to take him about a 55 minute drive, right? So some people they take it really, really seriously. But the most profitable times to work don't always fall within the hours I'm able to spend outside and work. So again, so far, I'm not sure where this article is going other than having life revolve around me, right? Sometimes I have to study when lots of people are requesting rides, such as at night. Initially, when I started driving rideshare, I rented a vehicle through Lyft. Oh, I didn't know Lyft would rent you a vehicle to drive for them. Oh, I didn't know that. It was very expensive. I was paying about $300 a week. What? $300 a week? Good Lord. And that doesn't include a deposit, taxes, fees, or insurance. Jeez. So I was paying over $1,000 a month for a car that I didn't own. So just buy your own car, right? When some rides pay as little as $2 or $3, it didn't make financial sense earlier this year, I ended up buying my own car. Now, the question that I have is, if you rent that car from Lyft for $300 a week, $1,000 a month, which is asinine. I mean, just with all due respect, what the hell are you thinking? $1,000 a month to rent a car from Lyft, where you can buy, like, if you put a good deposit down, you can get a decent car, maybe a Hyundai maybe for like $400 a month. I don't know, and lease it maybe. Anyways, when some rides paid as little as $2 to $3, it didn't make financial sense. Earlier this year, I ended up buying my own car, and I can't question it. Some weeks, I ended up driving for 55 hours to make enough money to cover my expenses. So far, I've completed about 1,400 trips on Uber and 500 on Lyft. I'm taking a break from school, although I plan to re-enroll and complete my final year in January. As a future doctor, I see certain behaviors among other drivers that concern me. Like me, a lot of other ride-hailing drivers whom I talk to while working or getting rides myself say they sacrifice downtime and sleep to drive. That's called doing life. Like, no, okay. And this person is 37 years old. I was saying earlier, it doesn't matter if you are Gen Alpha, Gen Z, Millennial, Gen X, Baby Boomer, the silent generation. It doesn't matter, because one thing is for sure, people will complain about anything, because the world is supposed to fit perfectly into your life, as opposed to you seeing the world for what it is and adjusting. And maybe Uber and Lyft was never for you. Maybe if you were to do a little bit of investigation and research, the top paying rides happen between like rush hour, especially in Atlanta, like where I hear the traffic is crazy, people don't want to drive. All right. Like me, a lot of other ride-hailing drivers whom I talk to while working or getting rides myself say they sacrifice downtime and sleep to drive. I sacrificed downtime and sleep when I was doing bail bonds. I would wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, half asleep, to drive 45 minutes to jail to get somebody out for $50. And guess what? It was what it was. I did what I had to do to survive. I didn't complain about it. I actually kind of enjoyed it. Although at the jail, they'd be kind of, the Broward County jail, they were awesome. Quick, easy, in and out. The Miami jail, oh my God, they were an absolute nightmare to deal with. But that was like a little under 20 years ago. I used to do that, right? Time flies like crazy. I can't believe that, right? Because that can make them more anxious, especially late at night, which puts everyone on the road at risk. Look, either you're about this life or you're not about this life. Simple as that. This person is a 37-year-old medical student who was paying $1,000 a month to rent a car from Lyft. You could probably get a car, get a small car from Enterprise or Hertz for cheaper than that. Not with the insurance, right? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. All right. I don't know. Whatever. With all due respect, if a future doctor is making these type of decisions, I would be terrified to get health advice from them. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway.
Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, back breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn out creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, suck it to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Plus I'm feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm drinking and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, pull the ace from the car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Work didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted a seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do this for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping. Then I'm copping, only thinking is the records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me lose. My drive is bigger, be a hate, be bigger than hate. Back, better work, 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 better work. Let's get it. Okay.